So how to make a keylogger in Python? It's very simple. We are going to open a new file, keylogger.py, and first I'm going to clear the command. And now I'm going to type in pip install keyboard, so that we are going to pip install keyboard, and now we are going to import. So first we are going to import keyboard, and now we are going to keyboard dot start recording. It's going to record every key they press, and while true, as soon as we import, we go into the while loop, and we are going to keyboard dot start recording, import time, and then time dot sleep. We're going to update it every 10 seconds, and then keyboard dot stop recording, and over here we're going to give it a variable. Also now we're going to keyboard dot get typed strings. But if you want all the keyboard events, including enter, space, tab, everything, then you should directly start logging this keyboard dot stop recording and this variable h here. This will start logging every keyboard movement, including all the special keys. But I just want the strings to get logged. So the events are in H, and I'm going to call it ST. So here I'm going to just open up a try, and then I'm going to open with open keylogger dot log comma a as log file. Then we are going to print, and we are going to print the st. We are going to put file equal to log file. So it's going to write it up in the log file. Next, we are going to go to except file not found error, and we are going to just take this, copy it, Control C, and paste it here. And we are going to remove the A for W. So now let's see if this works. Hello, hello, mic testing. Before that, I need to delete my older version. Hello, hello. So as we can see, it's working perfectly fine. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.